The invisible pink unicorn is the goddess of our religion. Being is a fact, a parody directed against. Theistic belief has to do with the notion that this goddess take, takes the form of a unicorn that is invisible and pink at the same time. The invisible pink unicorn is a factor created by the imagination of the people to be able to feel as if they were with a god. I'm not saying that it was the god. The safe is they do not have a no belief about. The religion, that is why some people used to not want to have anything that do with the religion, but other people want to know more about it because they are interested in knowing more about that religion and believing it. As, as you can see in the image, you can know that people greatly appreciate this religion, and it seems to them something to trust as a god. These people appreciate much the unicorn pink invisible. Invisible pink unicorn. According to followers of this religion, the world was created by a god shaped like a pink unicorn. Followers of Uri carry out debates about her action, among which she is stealing. So, that is the reason that explains her enigmatic tendency to disappear. There are several things that created just like the invisible pink unicorn as a religion of a spaghetti monster. These religions were found through an internet forum by the 19th on the Usenet network. It's in a page with the name is Usenet. In this page, you find and others things, others religion from monster spaghetti monster. It's strange, but it's a religion. Don't I can't say anything because the person like this religion and the same time with the unicorn being invisible.